Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you are good. So in the earlier classes we have learned about invitation. Yes. So in the invitation, what are the things that are involved? Venue, yes, date and time, and guest of honors, and also with some cultural programs and ending with vote of thanks. Yes. So that is our invitation method. How to prepare an invitation card. Yes. So now we are going to learn about organizing. So let's for when we are getting to started, first of all I have to ask you about. So what is the word organizer? Who is called as organizer? So I will say you now, okay? So organizer, that means the person who will organize the program. That means who will direct the program. That means he will give a plan. Yes, he will give a plan and he will execute that plan in a proper way. So what they will plan that? So for conducting any program, yeah, it may be any cultural programs or it may be any parties or it may be any wedding. So we have organizers. So what the organizers will do? The organizers will will plan in a very proper way. That means, if you give a person as an organizer, so what should he do for an annual day program? So let's think about annual day program. So how will you start? You will start with proper planning, no? So what you will do the plan? So first, what will you do? You will give an introduction. That means you will start with any welcome song. Yes, you will start with any welcome song. So after welcome song, any welcome dance. That means any cultural dance. Yes, any traditional dance. So after traditional dance, then all the programs. If any guest will come, then receiving the guest. After receiving the guest, all the programs will come in the list. So after all the programs, again vote of thanks. So likewise, the proper planning of a program, proper planning of an event to be a successful event. So the organizer is very important. Yes. So let us think about wedding. So for wedding, some days will be there. No, first Sangeet, Mehndi function, and after that wedding, after that reception. So like that, they will plan in a very proper way to make an event very successful. And also every decorations and everything, here the event should be done and there the event should be done. The place also will be decided by them only. Yes. So the organizer plays a very important role. And in any your school functions, some children will do anchoring, no? So that part is also done by organizer only. They have to organize everything. Okay. I hope now you understand what is the term organizer. Okay. So now we are going to do the second bit. Read below how Peacock the organizer compared the whole program in the Greenwood Forest. So this is a thing it is given for us. So we have to in the textbook, if you open the textbook, so they have given how the Peacock has organized also. So read below how Peacock the organizer. So here who is organizer? Peacock is organizer. So here Peacock is organizer. So the Peacock is organizing the whole program in the Greenwood Forest. So the program is going in Greenwood Forest. So this is a place, okay? So how the Peacock is organizing? Let's see. Dear Mr. Moon, stars and dear friends. So how it is starting? See, dear moon, stars and my friends. Yes. I welcome you all to Peace and Harmony program organized in Greenwood Forest. So what is the name of the program? Peace and Harmony program. Yes. As you are aware, we have with our Mr. Moon and Stars as our guest of honors. So who are the guest of honors here? Moon and Stars are the guest. So on behalf of our animal kingdom and on my behalf, I thank them for sparing some of their valuable time for us. I would request Mr. Moon to say a few words on this occasion. So, if you will say, how will you start? How will you organize a program? See, for example, annual day program in your school, annual day program in your school. So, you are going to organize for the annual day program, yeah? So, some guest has arrived. So, you think the guest name is Mr. Moon, okay? Mr. Moon. So, how will you organize if you are the organizer? So, how you will say means, I welcome you for our annual day program. Thank you for all of you attending for the annual day program and making our, you wanted to participate and make our annual day program very well. So, on behalf of everyone, I am thanking the guest, Mr. Moon, who has come to our program. Yes. So, likewise, you will say, and I am expecting, or I would request Mr. Moon to come on the stage and speak some words. Yes, likewise, you will invite the guest and you will ask the guest to speak some words about your program. So that way you have to start and you have to give the respect for the guest who is arriving for your program. Yes. So, Mr. Moon says a few words. Yes, after you saying that one, the guest will get up and he will catch a mic and he will say some words like, yeah, I'm very thankful for inviting me, like that. He will go on saying some words. Okay. So, again what you will do? Mr. Moon sir, again he'll go and sit, guest will go and sit and again you will come. Thank you sir for coming and speaking some few words. You have given a very beautiful words about us. Yeah, likewise you will say, thank you sir for saying very kind words for us. Now I will begin. So after that, finishing that. So now I will begin our cultural program. See, now the peacock is beginning with, he is starting with cultural programs. Okay. So cultural dance program item called Made for Each Other. This will be presented by elephant and deer. So likewise, if you do organizing, so you will call some persons. So we will see now third class children dancing. Yes. So I welcome third class children to come onto the stage. Yeah. And participate. You will call like that if you are an organizer. So then dance will be going on. After dance again you will come and what you will say, I am sure you have liked the item. Yes. I am sure. So you have enjoyed the dance performance given by third class children. So after that you will come and you will say. The next item in our program is called Song, Victory Over the Jackal. This will be sung by parents and minors. So after that, so likewise, you will be going on conducting all the programs line by line. So you first what you have to do means, you have to list out all the programs in an order or in a sequence that you have to be given. Yes. So you will call, based on that list, you will call one by one. So you will call one person. After that finishing, again you have to come and say, yes, you have enjoyed this item or this participation. Yeah, I hope so you are enjoying. You have to say like that. Yes. So likewise, you have to finish your list that has given for you. Yes. Again. So likewise, here also some gymnastics show has been done and again skit has been done. So after these all programs, what you have to do? You have to give a vote of thanks, which is very, very important to end up with your program. Yes. So I have said you what is vote of thanks. You have to give it in such a way that it should be very impressive. Yeah, it should be very impressive. So how you have to give means, thank you all teachers and my dear friends to attending this program and making this program a very memorable day for me and for my friends. So this will be a very memorable day that will be remindable. Yes. Likewise, you have to say thank you for coming. Like that you have to say. Here what Peacock is saying now, I invite all the... Okay, finally I invite you all to have a mouthful of juice before you leave. Yes. Yes. So likewise, you will give a vote of thanks. That means you are thanking each and everyone, and it's very important that you have to thank guest also. You have to thank your guest and your teachers. Yeah, the respectable persons who are there in your program. So you have to mention each and everyone. Yes, that is very important before inviting and before thanking. Yes, that means vote of thanks and welcoming. These two are very important. That you have to mention all the names in your words, and you have to present in a very beautiful way. So now you are in 6th class, you are in 6th standard, so you have to develop these all. And in your school, freshers and farewell will be so you have to be the organizers for freshers and farewell. Yes, so till that you have to learn how to organize in the Zoom class. I will ask each and every student. So you have to prepare. You have to be prepared with your organization part. Your planning. Yes. So you have to plan by your own. That means which program should come first and where it should be given and how it should be presented. So these are very important to organize a program, and it is very difficult, children. For saying it's very good, but for doing it's very difficult. The organization part is very difficult. So I hope you understand very well, and please practice some of them also. Yeah, please practice some of them, and thank you. We'll end up with the session, and in Zoom class we are going to discuss about this. Thank you.